the best part was that we traveled a lot because we were halfway there, you know. And in Belgium or in Europe altogether, people don't stay home. They travel. We had an apartment, not a house. So we didn't have to worry about grass and trees and snow and whatever. We had an apartment and we could go anywhere on the weekend. And that part was great, and we traveled far and wide. After about 6 months, realized I wanted to work. And I was able to find a job in a private school. It was an American private school, actually a Catholic school, where I became, the program was all in English, but the students weren't necessarily English. You know, Brussels had a lot of international companies, and people came from all over, from Denmark, from South America, and all that, and would bring their kids to the school. And so I had a little office, and I would tutor children, take them out of their English classes and tutor them. And I had totally free hand. I would go to London and find books, you know. It was just a great job. The kids liked me because, you know, I try to be where they were. I wasn't like meeting any criteria, you know. So that was great fun. So I worked until 2:30, you know. And I was able to take up writing again, and there was a beautiful writing stable nearby. I tried tennis, but that was not successful. Eye-hand coordination isn't very good. But we traveled a lot, and you know, to Turkey and to Sicily and to, you know, actually I went to North Africa rather, and of course in Europe.